As always, we've got all the different cuts. Hey guys, Clint here from Butcher Boy. Thanks again for tuning in. We've talked about the Berkshire pork, we talked about options and ribs. Let's talk about chops today. When people think pork, they usually think either chops or ribs, right? So in our cases, we've got a handful of different chops. One of the most popular cuts we've got are stuffed pork chops. What that is a nice, thick, double cut rib chop. So you get all that nice marbling, 2 bones on there, and we put our house-made stuffing inside. Great on the grill or in the oven, 350 degrees, about an hour and 15 minutes. But that's the rib chop. It's gonna be like the prime rib of a pork. Next option, that same cut, but boneless chops. We cut these nice and thick. These are gonna be the best option for throwing on the barbecue, on the grill, or on the Traeger, the smoker, etc. They're gonna be thick enough, get a nice cook on there without them drying out, and cook these just like you would a steak. Good seasoning, sear, smoke, finish just like that. The other option on bone-in chops, we do bone-in loin chops. So that's gonna be just down from this section in the hog. It's gonna be like a T-bone / porterhouse out of the hog. That bone's gonna add some good flavor in there. We cut these a little bit thinner. You can grill them, but you're gonna go higher heat, a little quicker cooking, or they're great for, pan frying or breading and finishing off in the oven. As always, we've got all the different cuts. So when you come in, you're not sure what you're looking for, just tell us what you wanna do, what kind of dish you're making. We'll get you dialed in. Thanks for watching.